In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a general ledger report from Gusto. To get started, log into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an account with the right level of access, since reporting options can vary depending on permissions. Once you're signed in, take a moment to confirm you're on the main dashboard, so it's easier to follow the next steps. From there, look to the left sidebar and click Reports. This is where Gusto keeps its reporting tools, including payroll and accounting-related data. After the Reports page opens, select Custom Report. This option gives you more control over exactly what information appears in your export, which is especially helpful when you're preparing a general ledger report for accounting purposes. Next, click Columns. Here, you'll choose the payroll fields you want included in the report. For a general ledger report, common fields include gross earnings, total employee deductions, total employer contributions, total employee taxes, total employer taxes, net pay, total employer cost, and check amount. You can also include any additional payroll fields required by your accounting system. The goal here is to make sure the report contains the exact data your bookkeeping or accounting workflow needs, without extra columns that could make the file harder to use. Once you've selected the columns you want, click Save to apply those choices. After that, click Filter to narrow down the report, based on the criteria you need. This might include the payroll period, specific employees, departments, or other relevant details. Filtering is useful because it helps you export only the data that matches the payroll activity you're trying to review or import elsewhere. When your filters are set, click Apply to update the report. Gusto will refresh the results based on the columns and filters you selected. Now, take a moment to review the report carefully and make sure it includes all the general ledger payroll information you need. This quick review can help you catch missing fields or incorrect date ranges before exporting. If everything looks correct, click Download and choose your preferred export format. The best format will depend on how you plan to use the file, whether that's reviewing it manually or importing it into accounting software. Finally, open the exported file and give it one last review. You can then save it for your records or import it into your accounting system, depending on your process. Thanks for watching.